Today in this video, we will discover 7 valuable assets that are better than cash to outsmarting economic turbulence. Buckle up, because we're about to rocket boost your portfolio with 7 assets that'll leave cash in the dust. So, get ready to unlock the secrets of financial freedom. Number 1. Real estate. Forget the stash under the mattress. Because in this economic climate, the real gold is bricks and mortar. Real estate, from small apartments to vast warehouses, offers a sturdy haven for your hard-earned cash. Why? Well, people gotta live and work, right? And that means a constant demand for spaces to call their own. So, snag yourself a rental property and watch the double win unfold. Not only will you be raking in a steady income stream from tenants, but your little real estate empire will likely appreciate in value over time. Hey, your property just laughed in its face. That's the beauty of bricks and mortar. They're a timeless investment that can weather any economic storm. So ditch the dusty piggy bank and start building your real estate kingdom. Your future self will thank you and probably shower you in gold coins. Well, maybe not coins, but definitely some sweet rental income. Number 2, gold and precious metals. When the world feels like it's spinning on its axis, there's one investment that's as steady as a mountain: gold. This shiny superhero of the investment world has weathered economic storms for centuries, holding its value like a champ even when all other things seem to be going crazy. It's the ultimate safe haven, a shield against inflation's fiery breath. But gold isn't the only precious metal party in town. Silver, platinum, and palladium, with their unique properties and industrial uses, are all hot commodities with a universal appeal. Their limited supply and global demand make them rock stars of value, keeping your money safe and potentially multiplying it like rabbits in a magic hat. And the best part? You can invest in these precious powerhouses in all sorts of ways. Buy the physical metal itself, grab a seat on the ETF roller coaster, or even become a shareholder in mining companies digging up these gleaming treasures. So, ditch the paper money confetti and start stacking some shiny security. Number 3, stock market. The stock market. It's a thrilling roller coaster of emotions, where your portfolio can soar to new heights one day and plummet like a rock the next. But for those with a stomach for risk and a long-term perspective, the stock market can be a powerful tool for building wealth. There are 2 main ways to play the stock market game: index funds. These are baskets of stocks that track a broad market index, like the S&P 500. They're a great way to get instant diversification and avoid the stress of picking individual stocks. Over time, index funds have historically outperformed most actively managed funds, making them a smart choice for long-term investors. Your growth stocks. These are the young, up-and-coming companies with the potential to explode in value. They're riskier than index funds, but the rewards can be much greater. If you're a savvy investor who can do your research and pick the right winners, growth stocks can be a great way to boost your returns. Number 4, cryptocurrency. Ditch the dusty vaults and say goodbye to inflation's fiery breath. Digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, powered by the magic of blockchain, are the new guard in town. These digital dynamos are limited in supply, meaning their value can soar like a crypto-powered rocket ship while inflation whimpers in the corner. Plus, they break free from the shackles of traditional banking, letting you send and receive money across the globe with just a click. So, open your digital wallet, embrace the future of finance, and watch your money moonwalk into a whole new era of wealth. Number 5, collectibles. Dust off your granny's attic and polish up your vintage kicks, because the treasure hunt is on. In this economic climate, where paper money seems to be losing its luster faster than a disco ball in the washing machine, rare collectibles are stepping up as inflation-fighting champions. Think shinning antique coins, purring classic cars, or those pristine sneakers you swore you'd never wear to gym class. These beauties aren't just gathering dust. They're holding on to their value and often increasing it, thanks to a powerful combo of scarcity and demand. Remember that limited edition? Beanie baby craze. That's the kind of magic we're talking about here. The rarer the item, the more hearts it sets a-fluttering while it opens. But it's not just about age or exclusivity. Historical significance, like a coin minted during a historical event or pristine condition, like a car that's been lovingly maintained, can also send an item's value skyrocketing. So channel your inner Indiana Jones and start digging through your basement. You never know what hidden gems might be waiting to be unearthed and turned into your next financial windfall. Number 6. Art. Forget dusty old paintings locked away in museums. The art world is throwing a digital party, and your portfolio is invited. Platforms like Masterworks are shaking things up, letting you own a tiny slice of iconic masterpieces by the likes of Van Gogh and Banksy. This fractional ownership game is like having your own personal art gallery, but without the mansion or the dust bunnies. And here's the kicker: art doesn't play by the same rules as the stock market. While stocks might take a nosedive during economic jitters, art often holds its own, sometimes even appreciating in value. It's like a hedge fund, with a brushstroke, offering diversification and potential for long-term returns that can put those boring old index funds to shame. So ditch the financial spreadsheets and embrace the beauty of a diversified portfolio with a splash of artistic flair. Who knows? You might just become the next Medici, minus the questionable fashion choices. Number 7. Bonds. Tired of the stock market's wild gyrations? Craving the sweet embrace of predictable returns? Then step into the calm oasis of bonds, where your money can take a deep breath and watch the interest payments roll in like clockwork. Think of it as a steady stream of income, like a reliable friend who always has your back and your bank account covered. But don't mistake predictable for boring. The world of bonds is a diverse buffet, with options like government bonds for low-risk security, corporate bonds for a touch of thrill, and municipal bonds for a chance to do good for your community while padding your pockets. So, grab your financial fork and dig in. The bond buffet is open, and it's time to treat your future self to a delicious dose of financial stability. Successful investing requires diversification and research. Which of these assets caught your eye? Let us know. Like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights.